we need more fireworks. I got the recording finally.
All right.
You got it? You excited? You excited?
Oh yeah.
His head's all covered. Oh, that's not ours. That's a lot though. Okay. You're brave, aren't you? Oh, I wish I had got my camera on that.
Well, we can have a look at the front in a minute. Probably at them.
That literally blew up in the air.
Here we go.
Oh, the next one. Oh, well, I'm glad I got my camera. This is going to be great. Whoa!
How was it? 3 shots.
That was epic. That wasn't bad, though.
Can we just sort the dog out?
I will.
Come here.
Yeah, I'm the camera guy, so I cannot do that.
Got in. You don't like the fireworks?
I'm trying to locate them.
Wow.
Got it. Oh, I saw a light, but it was off camera. Got the next one? Have you got the next one?
I've got it, yeah, I'm just getting it ready now.
Okay. Your phone is wet. You've been recording this. I want this one.
Wow.
Look at that fire. I know. It's just straight up burning it. There you go. Oh. Where are they? We need to get as much fireworks as possible. This video's been going for 2 minutes and only 1 firework. I need to upload this to YouTube, so I need a lot of
This
fireworks.
one is called Outburst. Outburst.
So it's probably not.
What are you going to do?
Oh!
Here with me.
I got it! I got the lights! Let's go! I got it! Yes! Oh. They go a bit. I need to get it.
Yeah, you got them.
You need to move. There's another one coming. Have you lit it?
Grandad set it off. It's cold.
There's no one playing. That's not what you clicked on the video for. I'll try and zoom in.
But it's not a nice night to Here we go.
Oh!
Here we go. What's he going to do?
Oh, damn! I barely got that. Hey, Tom, can you put back on my glove? I tried to zoom in, so.
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, no, quick.
Get your hands in.
One finger. Quick. What happened there?
There you go.
Okay, there we
Who's
go.
left? What?
Next one? Have you got the next one? I see a lot in here. Where's the shovel? Shovel's the most interesting thing that's here. Whoa, what's this?
Yeah, you see it.
I know it's epic.
I'm going to turn it off.
Put them there. Oh, I gotta show the fire. Look, you can see it. You can see it like going out. But that's not enough fire. We need more. So, hold on. I need to show people the fire. I need to get the fire on camera just because it's cool.
Go that side,
Oh, what?
Because
Okay, that's.
fireworks might still go off.
Oh, that one.
There might be a bit of gunpowder left in them. They'll go off.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want me to open it for you?
Oh no.
Oh, here we go.
Move, move, move.
Here we go. Ready? Whoa! Yay!
That wasn't bad. No, it wasn't. I know. It wasn't too bad. No. It wasn't. No, blind. I didn't. You're blind. Oh. Why are people watching TV? You should be watching fireworks. No, I'm talking. The power of the void.
Does it normally,
That's tongue.
does it normally stick
Yeah.
out? Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, Alfie, you're blind. I'm not blind. Now you're not. You were saved. Stop doing that. I love messing with you. Well, it's kind of hard when I have to entertain people and there's no fireworks, you know.
Stay back, darling.
They're trying to come in this area.
Go back. Towards the thing.
Oh, you can't even see. I saw it fly up.
Jacob, come back over this way.
Okay, so far.
Stay behind this post, alright?
Whoa, not bad. Not bad. Oh. It looks like a clown.
Very good.
Hey, I have a question.
Is it amazing? Jacob has a question. What's your question, mate?
When we put, are we saving the best one for last?
No, we had the best one first.
Oh, I didn't even get that on camera.
Firework tradition.
I didn't get that one on
What we'll
camera.
do is, Jacob, we'll look out the front in a minute at all the ones that people are setting off. And you can take a video of them, okay?
Yes, you need to get on the camera. You're on camera. You're on YouTube. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. Okay, great hi, by the way. That helps. Oh, I think you're lighting it. Let me see if I can. Yeah, you're lighting it. Oh, a plane! You guys are entertained by that, right? No!
Alfie, step back.
Oh, the fire! Alfie, back! Boom! Boom, boom, boom! Oh, you can still kind of see the fire. I'm approaching. Yeah, okay, I'm ending this.